have a question. Please state your name.
Assalamu alaikum. My
Wa
name
alaikum.
is Asma, and I want to know something about Al-Ahzab, ayat 33 and Surah 33, 59 ayat.
Okay.
In this you told about wearing gown, and what I understood that we can wear gown after understanding of hijab ayats, and that would be the identity for the Mu'min lady.
Yeah. Yep.
That is the correct
Yeah,
understanding?
yeah.
Okay. So after understanding, it is better to wear the gown.
Yeah. When you feel comfortable that what Allah has said, and I believe the ayahs of Allah by wearing this gown. If you believe these are the ayahs, Allah is asking that directly, Allah is telling you to wear the gown. So if you know those verses and you believe in those verses, then you start wearing the gown.
The gown, and
Can you raise the mic?
it would be a degree for us.
Yeah, it's a degree from God Almighty. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.